maintain. So, let's go for it. First question that we are going to have is starting 3, 2, 1. So, until 2050, worldwide climate adaptation policies will cost how much? Will it be 2,550 billions per year, 510 billions per year, 140 billions per year, or 10,450 billion per year? So 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And the correct answer is 140 billion per year. Only 8 of our people really answer this question correctly. So, basically, Superman is basically the one that is basically taking the lead in the moment. But let's talk a little bit about climate adaptation. So the thing is that climate adaptation policies is all the budget that we will have to dedicate either on the public or the private sector to make ourselves resilient against all the changes that climate change could actually bring onto us. And that's the reason climate adaptation policies is a form of climate action that we will need to do. So studies from the United Nations estimate that until 2050 we are going to spend now climate adaptation related industries can create up to how many jobs? It is 39 jobs per US million invested. Is it 7 jobs per US million invested? Is it maybe 103 jobs per US million invested? Or is maybe 1,106 jobs per US million invested? We have the pleasure to discuss with Antoine Rostad at the very beginning of our event the thing that climate adaptation and companies like Kayrros are creating a lot of jobs for young generation. And actually, climate adaptation is an opportunity. The correct answer is 39 jobs per US million invested. So, basically, in this particular case, Superman continues being in the lead with almost double the second one. Wow, this is actually very nice. So, just to give you a little bit of perspective on this, all the studies reported by United Nations and International Panel on Climate Change estimate that climate action industries can create up to 39 jobs per US million invested. This number can be a little bit misleading because this is actually considering climate action as everything. And when we basically try to get a little bit into those numbers, we have areas like clean energies, space, manufacturing, trade services, and even other areas like construction into clean space that contributes to this. So basically, launch has the same carbon footprint as how many transatlantic flights? 10 to 15 transatlantic flights on average, 1 to 5 on average, 100 to 110 on average, or maybe 1,000 to 1,100 on average. What do you think? Very good. And the correct answer is 1 to 5. Believe it or not, actually a rocket is not really so pollutant. These numbers, we have calculated them using SpaceX Falcon 9 numbers. So basically Superman still goes ahead. Stenata, Peter, and Kimura.
Start spreading the news.